Hi and welcome. So would you like to know how you can grab your copy of my 11K per month online business? Well, let me show you how. My name is Gena Babak. I'm a full-time online marketer, business coach and traffic vendor. When I started 5 years ago, my first goal was to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Now, after 5 years and $50,000 invested in my education, I can finally make from $300 to $2,000 per day with affiliate marketing. This is why I decided to create my Affiliaxa program to share my knowledge with you. So let me show you how it all works. When you join Affiliaxa, you get access to my affiliate program, which will allow you to make from $3 to $2,200 per referral. Okay, you import your affiliate funnel, and then you have access to our lead generation tool, which will allow you to make sales also on autopilot, because it will get you around 20 to 50 new leads per day from Facebook, and this will be hot targeted leads. Okay, so next thing what you need to do is just push the traffic button and sit back and relax, watching how your funnel starts working. But you may simply ask, okay, Gena, I know you're an affiliate marketer, you have 5 years experience, so it works for you, but will it work for me? Well, guys, it works not only for me, it also works for my affiliates. Actually, let's listen to one of them.
Hey, how you doing today? Kirkland Lakes here. I just want to give a quick shout out to Gena Babak and Affiliaxa Done For You platform. This is the same platform that's responsible for me making 38 sales in 28 days. If you want somebody who's going to mentor you and teach you about affiliate marketing, a fast money funnel, that's a solid product. You need to get with Gena Babak. You got to remember, 38 sales in 28 days. Kind of hard to top that.
So what's the promise? When you join Affiliaxa, you get access to our affiliate program, and you'll be able to make up to $2,200 per referral. Okay, next thing, again, you get access to our fast income funnel, and this funnel will allow you to build your list fast, because you'll be able to make money really fast and reinvest your profit into new leads. Hey, I'm on a mission to create 11K per month online business for as many online marketers as I possibly can. So if you feel like this is for you, if you want to partner with me, join Affiliaxa today and let's make some money. And welcome. So would you like to know how you can grab your copy of my 11K per month online business? Well, let me show you how. My name is Gena Babak. I'm a full-time online marketer, business coach, and traffic vendor for 5 years plus. Okay, when I started 5 years ago, my first goal was to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Today, I can make from $300 up to $3,000 per day with affiliate marketing, and this is why I decided to create my Affiliaxa. When you join Affiliaxa today for just $17, you get access to the training area, to a high conversion sales funnel, and high paying affiliate program to make more than $1,000 per referral. I also share with you the roadmap on how I went from thousands in debt to thousands per week in profit, working just a few hours a day from the comfort of my own home. What I like most about Affiliaxa is that it works not only for me, but it also works for my affiliates. Let's listen to one of them.
Hey, how you doing today? Kirkland Lakes here. I just want to give a quick shout out to Gena Babak and Affiliaxa Done For You platform. This is the same platform that's responsible for me making 38 sales in 28 days. If you want somebody who's going to mentor you and teach you about affiliate marketing, a fast money funnel, that's a solid product. You need to get with Gena Babak. You got to remember, 38 sales in 28 days. Kind of hard to top that.
To make this offer a no-brainer, we also decided to help you with traffic. Okay, so when you join Affiliaxa today, you get access to the training module, and in day 2, to get your traffic, you get access to all these. So we invite you to use our content marketing strategy to see how you can easily generate new leads and sales just from the social media. Okay. Also, we decided to give you access to our traffic rotator for 30 days. Okay, so when you join Affiliaxa, you register your affiliate link. Okay, and we simply add your affiliate link to our traffic rotator for 30 days to make sure you generate leads and sales really fast. And last but not least, we also share with you 1 month of viral video content for your social media, for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This is a guarantee that you will have at least 1 month of viral video content and that you will start generating leads from TikTok, for example, as well. Okay. Hey, I'm on a mission to create 11K per month online business for as many struggling online marketers as I can. So, if you like the idea, just click the button below and join Affiliaxa today.